So we have an investment that was worth $3,431 in 1994. By 1997, it has grown to $4,037. Let Y be the value of the investment in year X, and X equals 0 is going to be 1994. Which of the following is the linear equation that models the value of the investment in year X? Okay, so I have 2 points here. 1994 is year zero, and the investment was worth $3,431. And then my second point is 1997, which would be year three, right? Because 95 would be one, 96, sorry, we start at 94. 95 would be one, 96 would be two, so 97 is three. And it's grown to $4,037. Okay, so let's calculate the slope, which is going to be subtract the y's. That would be 4,037 minus 3,431 over subtract the x's, 3 minus 0. Okay, so I have to do this subtraction. I could do it in my head by adding up, or I could do a little algorithm over here. Okay, so I get 40 minus 34 is 6. So I get 606 divided by 3, which is 202. And there's only one of the lines shown has a slope of 202 because this one's negative, this one's the reciprocal, this one's negative. So the answer has to be B. The only line with a slope of 202.